Hi, this is Lisa from WPPO, and today we're going to be cooking up easy cast iron skillet nachos in the Karma 32 by WPPO. Start by layering your tortilla chips in your cast iron skillet. I like to use a variation of regular tortilla chips, blue corn chips, and a few plantain chips. Next, put on a nice handful of Mexican-style cheese with a blend of Monterey Jack, cheddar, asadero, and queso cheeses. Next, we layer it with some nice pulled pork. Next, put in some black olives. You can use green olives as well, but I prefer the black olives, and slice those up nicely. And then some jalapenos sliced thinly. Then it's ready to put into the Karma pizza oven. Let that bake for about 5 minutes. Remove this from the pizza oven, and now we're going to do another layer of tortilla chips, plantain chips, a nice handful of Mexican-style cheeses. Then repeat with more pulled pork, some more sliced black olives, and some jalapeno peppers. Put back into the Karma pizza oven and cook for another 5 minutes until everything is nice and the cheese is bubbly and golden brown. Now it's time to remove it from the pizza oven. I like to add some additional green onions, some avocado, cilantro, and on the side, if you'd like some sour cream, more guacamole, and salsa, and then it's ready to serve. And this is how we make easy cast iron skillet nachos in the Karma pizza oven by WPPO.